สวัสดีครับ My name is Kid from Bangkok lawyer. I am a Thai lawyer. Today I'm gonna talk with you guys about the criminal law here in Thailand regarding about the children. So you may have heard or you may have seen that if the teenager or the children commit a crime in some countries, right, United States, they could be charged or they could be prosecuted, right? But here in Thailand, what about if the children, committing a crime, will they be punished like an adult? Of course, there's a law clearly state that if the children who are not over 12 years old and commit the crime, they're not going to be charged under Thai law. For example, if your child is like 11 years old going to the 7-Eleven and then he end up stealing some snacks from the shop, the police cannot charge them for stealing because he's still young and not over 12 years old. So that means if the children are not over 12 years old, they're not going to be charged under Thai criminal law, right? What about if they are over 12 years old but not over 15 years old? If they're committing a crime, will they, get charged or will they get arrested or not? If they are over 12 but not over 15, if they're committing a crime here in Thailand, it's the same, they cannot be charged, they cannot be prosecuted under Thai criminal law. What about if they are over 15 years old but not over 18 years old? They end up committing some crime, physical assault, stealing, drink driving, maybe, will they be punished? Of course, if they are over 15 but not over 18 years old, the court, Juvenile Court can consider whether the crime that they commit is really serious or not. If it's not a serious offence, maybe the court just give them a warning and let them go. However, if maybe a little bit, it's like a little bit of a serious case, the court maybe just give them a suspended sentence, right? And the last one is if they are 18 to 20, if your children is 18 but not over 20 years old, if they commit a crime in Thailand, will they be charged? Of course, if they are 18 already but not over 20 years old, they can be charged like an adult, right? Hope you guys can get some knowledge about the age that the children can be prosecuted or not be prosecuted under Thai law, alright? Okay, and see you guys next time. ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ